Ferg is the name, then bullet through the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane.